you guys keep asking us to cook and show different ways of cooking. And one issue we have here is, well, I don't have the time to cook all day when we're in the fab shop or answering questions or emails or building smokers or delivering smokers. So it makes it difficult for us to cook and show every different type of way, but we're attempting to. And today what we're gonna do is something I don't think we've ever showcased, and that is we're gonna cook on the griddle. So I've got a Fridge 36 we're fixing to fire up, and it has the actual base model. It's not a base model, but it has the base griddle top. And so what we're gonna do is we're going to first throw these ribeyes in from A and B. We're gonna throw them in the actual smoker as it's come up temperature. I think we have some potatoes, maybe some eggs. We're gonna do like a quick lunch for all the guys here at the shop. So currently I've got them seasoned up with just salt and pepper. We're about to go throw them, or fire the smoker up and then throw them in the smoker, let them come up to probably about 100 degrees, pull them, and then sear them off on the griddle and show you what we're gonna do there. So let's hope it comes out good. Let's see. Okay guys, we just brought the steaks up to about 100 degrees. Let them sit here for a minute. Had potatoes going here, got them done, pulled them. But now we're gonna throw on the ribeyes, sear them off for about 30, 45 seconds on each side, and then we'll see how it turns out. Okay, we just pulled them off, guys. We're gonna let them rest for a few minutes, slice into them. We're actually gonna throw the potatoes back on here, throw a few eggs on, slice it, come out here, eat it, and have a good day. Let's do it. Okay guys, we sliced up the steak. We have tried a few pieces. It is absolutely delicious. We're gonna let all the TMG employees come out and try some. Probably could have sliced these a little bit smaller, but you get the idea. Perfection. Think so? Yeah. Dig in then, boys.
First, chef always
no, go ahead.
And then they
look at that. Oh, that right there. Good gosh.
That's pretty good. Warm egg.
That is good. Straight up.
Delicious.
Mix it all together, boys.
Can we flip
girls.
an egg? Can we flip them? They're probably like toasted on the bottom.
If you want to flip them, you can. Go ahead. That's ribeye.
It's nice and tender.
Okay, guys, I'm hot. I'm sweaty. Been running around like crazy. Come back in here, and it's been demolished. It did grab a little bit early. It's absolutely delicious. This is like the Country Boy special here. I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's no meat left for sure. But it's definitely meat and taters. So anyway, guys, great cook. It was fun today. Oh, as I throw that off, we get another one right here. Get another tater on here, if I can. There we go. And anyway, it was great. It was fun. It was delicious. Till next time.